Once the template has been created, you can access the surgical protocol using View Surgical Protocol. You can enter the patient's name on the main page and view the previously created template using the descriptive windows and the implant details. You can access the implant information by selecting the tab. It includes information such as its position, the implant type, the inserted abutment choice, its size, and the sleeve's offset. You can enter details useful for surgery in the notes window. For example, the position of the sleeve in the standard position, +2 or +4. You can also view the summary of the implant in the abutment and include notes here as well, which will all be shown in the final report PDF. You can create the PDF file by clicking on Make PDF Document. Upon payment of an export, the template can be exported directly to the project by selecting the Move Guide to Project function.